Thanks to AI, editing a video has become completely painless. And now it's even possible to do AI video editing on your actual computer. It means you don't have to do it on the internet or upload your files to anywhere, just using the files that are on your actual computer. Now, for this demonstration, I'm going to use a software called ZippyClip, and I'm actually going to use an MP3 file taken from Suno, meaning I'm going to take a Suno song and I'm going to show you the process of taking a song and making it an insane video that will actually get a lot of views on YouTube. Because up till now, I've been posting the default Suno file, the MP4, that has the lyrics on it, but it looks so cheap and it doesn't pull or hook the user in. But let me show you just an example, and from this example, you'll be able to understand potentially what you could do for regular videos as well. Because this works on every single video that you drop your file here and give a prompt, and it just does the work for you. And it even publishes to YouTube, TikTok, X, Facebook, and Instagram, all automatically. So just check this out. Bear with me here. I'm going to click on Pro, link to Suno. Now, you don't have to have a Pro account to do this. You can just drop the actual MP3 here. But if you click link to Suno, it will open up Suno. And then whatever you download from Suno will actually come up on the ZippyClip. I've lost focus here, but don't worry about it. All right, I found the song I want to use. So I'm simply going to download it. All right, so you can see I downloaded it and it pops up over here, add to timeline. Once I click that, it's going to bring it into ZippyClip for AI editing. And this is where the magic is going to happen. I literally am going to click one button and it's going to do everything for me. You're literally not going to believe what you're about to see. So watch this. I'm going to click the automate button at the top of my screen. And then I've made a few automations, but this is the automate Suno video button. Now, when I click on that, it's going to run a massive sequence of things that I've told it to do. Check this out. I'm going to click it right now. Watch this. So I click on it. It's running the edit prompt, whatever your edit prompt is. Like you could say add video B-roll, add subtitles, add an image. You can even say add a thumbnail to YouTube. You can just basically pump with whatever you want that video to be or that MP3 to be. What it does, it starts doing everything. Watch, it's adding the subtitles according to my specifications and the location that I chose. It's creating remotion and hyperframes animations. It's adding a cover image to the entire video so that it's on the entire video. There's like an image which is going to cover the Suno logo and the Suno information. It's going to generate an AI video for the first 5 seconds, which is designed to hook the viewer and make them believe that it's an actual video, even though it's just a song. Because the first 5 seconds have an actual AI generated video, then it's actually going to be hooking the viewer so they kind of get sucked into the song and want to listen to the entire song. So as you can see right above my head over here, it's rendering the remotion effect, which is going to be added to the timeline. And in no time, by the way, it's going to be publishing to all my channels. And that's my favorite thing about this. Not only does it take a file and just edit its brains off, adds B-roll, and it actually publishes to all of your channels. That's TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and X. And you're actually about to see that happen. And the best part is it creates a thumbnail using OpenAI's latest GPT-2 image model, which creates the most unbelievable clickable thumbnail, which basically means that anyone who actually comes across this video on YouTube will click on it straight away, even if it's a long form video. Now, since this song is a 4-minute song, it's actually going to also clip the song to be less than 3 minutes and publish as a short as well. Now, all of this is being done automatically. Remember, this is hands off. You can see my hands. Now, you can see the titles and description that it's creating for 5 different accounts. Because I have, for my music business, I have 5 different accounts. I have each and every one: Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, X, and Instagram. So you create 5 channels for your business and it will start posting to all of them. All right, after creating the video entirely, it's now saving a local copy of the rendered video, meaning the one with all the different overlays, the video overlays, the remotion overlays, the hyperframes overlays, the AI cover image, which is on the entire video. Now it's publishing to YouTube, my Danya Din AI music channel, and then it's publishing to the YouTube short because the video was longer than 4 minutes. So it's also creating a short. So I have 2 videos for the price of one. It's publishing to TikTok as well. And it's publishing to Facebook as well. And it's about to publish to X and also to Instagram. And that you're going to be able to see right now in front of your eyes. Here we go. And there's a link for each and every one of these. But let me go and show you on YouTube how the thumbnail looks. These thumbnails impressed the hell out of me. And remember, all of this was done hands off. Remember that. Just keep that in mind. I simply dropped an MP3 onto my timeline. And this is what came out on the other side. Actually, let me let you hear the entire song. And that concludes my demonstration. But I'll show you the entire song so you can see if this software might be able to help you edit and publish your videos automatically. Check out this song. Oh, here are all the links. So I guess I can just directly click on the initial. All right, guys, check out this thumbnail. Absolutely unbelievable. And here's another one that I made earlier today, actually 25 minutes ago. And look at these thumbnails of all these different songs. Now, if I click on this song, we'll be able to actually hear it together. And you can see the editing. Remember, this is a Suno MP3. Now, check this out. Let me go to the beginning. Notice it added a video to the beginning to hook the viewer in. Then it added a remotion effect. Check it out. Check out another example. Check out this one.
If I lost all my fame, would you still love me today? If they forgot my name, would you still call me your way? If the money disappeared and the cars all drove away, would you still be standing here? Would you still want me to stay? Even if you lost the fame, I would still love you the same. Even if they drop your name, I'll be calling out the same. Let the money fade to gray.
All right, guys, you get the idea. So I just love that song so much. So I just let it run a little bit longer. You get the idea. This was a Suno song, just an MP3. You can see the incredible editing ability of this new desktop software called ZippyClip. It edits and publishes to all of your channels. It adds effects, as I explained earlier. It's completely free to download, and it's even free to publish to all of your channels with a small little watermark on the top right of the video. So you can get it free from zippyclip.net. It works on Mac and Windows. If you find any bugs, send them an email so that we make sure that they will definitely just fix them very, very quickly. Remember, it's a new software, so it might have a bug or two, but it works insanely well. One last thing I want to show you, for those of you who stayed till the end, check this out. Published to all 6 channels successfully. Check this out. What you're about to see is insane. When you click on automate here, let me just show you the flow here. You just give it a name, give it a prompt like the one over here, remotions effect, etc., subtitles. Then you can choose if it's downloaded or not, choose the channels you want to have it posted to, and all the titles and description. You can write a prompt that will decide how those are written perfectly. And you can auto post as a YouTube short if it's a long form video. But the most amazing thing, I think, is automate by dropping into a folder, which I'll demonstrate in the next video. What it is you can select a folder on your computer and it will literally follow that folder. So if you drop a song into that folder, for example, new Suno song, every time I drop a song into that folder, it will literally launch ZippyClip and start this entire process.